This is CrossblogxTV. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ìrántí ti jáde o láti ẹnu Prophet Primate Ayọ̀délé. Wọ́n ní ohun ìkìlọ̀ ńlá lílé fún Ààrẹ Tinubu. Wọ́n ní àwọn Fulani agenda wọn ò tí ì padà lẹ́yìn agenda wọn. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ni wọ́n fẹ́ fọ́ọ̀sì Tinubu sínú agenda yìí. Ṣé lè wá bójú mu báyìí ṣe rí pé gbogbo ìlú tẹ́ bá ń ṣe rìn nínú àwòrán yìí ṣe rí báwọn èèyàn ṣe ń sá kíjokíjo ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá káàkiri àti gbogbo ilẹ̀ ibi ní Nàìjíríà ọkàn everybody ò balẹ̀ mọ́. Ìkìlọ̀ ńlá tí wàá ti jáde báyìí. Wọ́n ní àwọn Fúlàní ń gbé ìgbésẹ̀ yìí wọn ò dẹ̀ tí ì padà lẹ́yìn ẹ̀. Wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ gba ìjọba lọ́wọ́ Tinubu, wọ́n fẹ́ dojú ìjọba Tinubu bolẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dẹ̀ lóhun ìkìlọ̀ jáde fún Sanwó-Olú. Wọ́n ní Tinubu gan kò ní trust ẹ̀ mọ́ o, pé Tinubu gan máa fi Sanwó-Olú lẹ̀ láìpẹ́. Wọ́n ní kán kìlọ̀ fún Sanwó-Olú. Then ní Lagos State wọ́n ní fáyà ń bọ̀. Oríṣiríṣi àwọn ìran tó lágbára ní Primate Ayọ̀délé ti fi ránṣẹ́ sí gbogbo ará Nàìjíríà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ jẹ́ àgbọ́lẹ́nu Primate Ayọ̀délé.
Let me reply one man, one somebody, something, one thing. Call himself Aradu in respect of Fulani. I still repeat, go ahead, right? Fulani are the problems of Nigeria. Tinubu, Fulani will destroy your government if you are not careful. Aradu, go and do your worst. Go and do your worst. You will contest, you will never win. I'm giving you warnings. Who are you to come and say this and that before they burn you? Me and they talk. Put it that way. You can come to Okafa. I'm here. I won't reply people like you. You are too small. You are too small like an ant. But if I don't reply you, because I know that it's a group of Fulani people who sent you. So if I don't reply, you think that I'm afraid. Who are you? You this thing. Yes. Go and do your worst. When you contest, you will fail. So you better keep quiet and let there be peace. We are warning the government, this A and Z, do this, do that. That's all. Don't sleep.
This is very important. Very important. Tinubu should change all that in the villa. I still insist and I repeat. Fulani has agenda, and they want to force people to do that agenda. He must resist it. He must resist it. If you fall into it, Nigeria is doomed. Nigeria will run to Kuma, and by so doing, they will come stronger to frustrate him. Fish because I see boat capsize. A big waves in November. Fish will be expensive, especially catfish and all these quail fish. Well, they are talking about Jonathan. I reserve my comment. Not yet. I will not say anything yet. Let me just reserve my comment about Jonathan. I can't say anything yet about Jonathan. It's not Jonathan I see among the three who can defeat Tinubu. There are three names that can defeat Tinubu. If they come out today, Tinubu will lose gallantly. All those people, El-Rufai will cause problem in ADC. I still repeat again. When you are pushing the president El-Rufai, you see that they will be divided. Fish because I see boat capsize. A big waves in November. Fish will be expensive, especially catfish and all these quail fish.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o, wọ́n ti ṣàlàyé gbogbo bóyá máa jẹ́ o. So ìyẹn mi kékeré everybody dira. Wọ́n ní pé Fúlàní wọ́n ìfẹ́ gbàjọba o. Ìkìlọ̀ rẹ̀ ti jáde fún Ààrẹ Bola Ahmed Tinubu àti gbogbo àwọn aráàlú gan. Wọ́n ní ká má sùn, wọ́n ní ẹ̀jí kẹ́ má sùn. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín. Iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. kí lè nǹkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà, ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì, arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì. Olúwa lòun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín. Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ̀ ń là kọjá yẹn òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí. Kí nìkan tẹ̀ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, lórí ọmọ ni, lórí iṣẹ́ ni, níbi gbogbo ni, bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le, ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa, kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ, òun náà ni +234 70 25 47 5427 +234 70